All right, Mr. Wall is here for Advanced Math 6th grade. Today is going to be our first step in the wonderful journey of geometry. All right, so why would you need geometry? Okay, I'll tell you. If you're building a house and you want to know what the angles are for the wood, for the 2x4s, how you're going to make it stable so that maybe an earthquake won't knock it down. Well, you're not going to use algebra. You're going to use some algebra. You're going to use geometry. So today, we're going to start our journey for geometry. All right. We're going to be in pages 342 to 345 in your textbooks. The first lesson we're going to do is 8-1, and that's converting units, I believe. Converting customary units. Mr. Walls, what the heck is a customary unit? Okay, I'll tell you. Unit. Okay. Customary unit is gallons or feet or miles or inches or yards. Anything like that. So, what are we going to do with customary units? All right, here's our first example. This guy named Jacques is a high jumper. Okay, Mr. Walls, what's high jumping? High jumping is when you're going to run down this runway and track. You're going to turn around and you're going to jump up and land on your back as high as you possibly can. Okay, so this guy Jacques, he jumped 93 inches. Whoa, 93 inches? I don't know what that is in feet. Okay, well, let's find out. So we have 93 inches. What do you think the first step is? Well, the first step is going to be to convert. What's the conversion rate for inches to feet? Well, I know that it's 12. 12 inches equals 1 foot. How about if you didn't know that? You guys all have iPads. Look on Google. Okay, so 12 inches equals 1 foot. Well, if we have 93 inches, how many feet do we have? Here's the easy way to do it, and the way my brain thinks. Your brain might not think the same way, so you might have to do it differently. 93 inches divided by 12. And why would I divide by 12? Because I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So therefore, if I divide this, sorry, I'm a little messy. If I divide this, it's going to be 7. Okay, that's going to go 84 times. It's going to have a remainder of 9 inches. Okay, but that doesn't work, does it? We're in advanced math now, so we're going to use decimals. But how do I know what the decimal is? Okay, 9 is the part and 12 is the whole. Or 9 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. So 7 and 9 twelfths. Is that easily divisible? Do you guys know what that is? Well, let's convert it. 9 twelfths equals 3/4. What's 3/4? Well, we know that 4 times 20, my mistake, 4 times 25 equals 100. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. So times 25 is 7,500. Decimal, can't we just put a decimal point here? 7,500. So Jacques jumped 7 feet . 7.75 feet, or 7 feet 3/4 inches. Cake, right? That's not hard. Well, the book wants you to do it a different way. And, like I said, every brain works differently, so we'll give it a go. Okay, so here we go. They want you to set it up like this. 93 times 1 over 2. Now, why would you set it up 93, 1 over 2? 1, because your conversion rate, conversion rate is 1 foot to 12 inches. Okay? Now, this is going to be over 1. So when you multiply this, you get what? You get 93 12. Now remember, this sign is not only a decimal, it's a dividing sign. Okay? So you have 93 divided by 12, and now you're going to do the same thing I just did. Okay? Those are your 2 steps. Two different ways. Now if you have another way that works for you, that's great. I would love to see it. Okay, next problem. We're going to convert quarts to gallons. So if you have 48 quarts, how many gallons do you have?